I walked in, I thought, I can't wait to hear everybody's pitch. And it was amazing. Everybody's pitch, I thought each one was better than the last. For me to have won, I'm like, what? Everybody was great because we all took so much from it that I'm still shocked a year later. I'm Amy Purciarele with Purciarele Group, where we love HR so you don't have to. There was an ambassador with St. Johns County Chamber of Commerce that told me, check out the chamber, check out the chamber. And when I finally did, I saw Pitch Factory and thought, this looks interesting, let me check it out.
So the bottom line is we solve HR chaos with clarity, compliance, and confidence.
Every single class I think was amazing. There was one that had us really teach how to talk about our business plan and how to pitch it effectively. And that was where I really learned, come to the table with your talking points, what makes you amazing or stand out.
First place goes to Purciarele Group.
The prize money is huge. I actually took that money and became a member of the chamber. So the prize money helped further my business and strengthen, especially with joining the chamber, strengthen the core of what we do. Show up every day, be authentic, talk to everybody in the room, learn what they do so you can learn from them. Each class is so important. Ask a ton of questions, learn, grow, and just be present.